after my schooling, I sort of, I did the usual thing. I built a bird. Out of, pieces of bird refuse. You just said you built a bird. I was taught
Ignorance brought
at the Canadian elementary school for terrible and just hurtful and, kind of racist and just bad accents all around, stereotypical bad stuff. That school that I went to school at, I was taught that all matter comes from parts of the matter that it was before, and you can make anything out of anything if you believe in yourself hard enough. So, I tried to just build a bird, just a big, beautiful bird that I could fly away on, see the world on my own terms. But I quickly realized it is not the way. It is not the way it works in the real world. It's not how you make a bird.
Still the coral barbarian. Enemy down. Reload.
Bro, what?
We finish off the whole.
Don't feel that. You don't feel that at all. You're just cold. Cold. And you're dead inside.
What was that for?
Oh shit!
What? What?